This is going to be a video tutorial on how to install Google Meet as a desktop app. Let me jump over to my desktop here. I am on my desktop now. Don't pay any attention to how cluttered it is, but if you look right up this way, you can see I have an app called Google Meet. If I double click on that and open it, it opens as a desktop app. You still have all the same features. I'm going to close this down. I'm going to delete this and I'm going to show you how to do it. I'm going to go to my installed apps. As you can see right in here, Google Meet, I have it installed as an app. I'm going to uninstall it. Then I'm going to show you how to install it. You can use either the Google Chrome web browser or the Edge web browser to do this. I'm going to start off by showing you how to do it on the Google Chrome browser. First thing you want to do is go to google.com, get logged in. Then in the upper right hand corner you'll see a little box of dots. That is your apps, Google Apps. Click on that. Then you want to find Google Meet in here. Right here is my Google Meet. I'm going to click on that. I am now on Google Meet. I am logged in. Next thing you want to do is go up to the top up here, up to the address bar, and as you can see I have a little box there called Install. I can click on it and the little dialog box will open up asking me if I want to install this app. I'm going to click on Cancel. I'm going to show you a second place to find it on Google Chrome. You can go off to the upper right hand corner up to the three-dot menu. Click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Cast, Save, and Share. Put your cursor over Cast, Save, and Share. Then you'll slide straight off to the left and down, and it says Install Google Meet. You would click on it here. That brings up the same little dialog box up here, and you would just click on Install to install it. I'm going to click on Cancel because I'm going to show you how to do it on the Edge web browser. I'm going to close this down. I'm going to open up the Edge web browser. You want to go to google.com, get logged in. Then in the upper right hand corner, the little box of dots, that is your Google Apps. You want to click on Google Apps. Then you will find Google Meet in here. Right here is my Google Meet. I'm going to click on Meet. Then you can either go up to the top up here, up to this little box up here. If you put your mouse cursor over it, it says App Available, Install Google Meet. Or you could go off to the right side corner to the three-dot menu, click on that, go down to where it says More Tools, and then straight off to the left and up to where it says Apps, and then straight off to the right it says Install Google Meet. I'm going to click on Install Google Meet. It brings up a little dialog box asking me, do I want to install this? I'm going to click on Install. And it takes it just a few seconds and it opens up. There's another little dialog box here asking me where do I want to pin the icon to the start, pin to taskbar, pin to start, create desktop shortcut, auto start on device login. You just have to use your own judgment here. I'm going to go with create desktop shortcut. Then I'm going to go down to the bottom and click on allow. I'm going to close this down. And right here on my desktop, I have an app called Google Meet. I'm going to double click on it and open it. That is how to install Google Meet as a desktop app. Thanks for watching.